अस्मि तदपि शत्रुप्रत्यय प्रयोगः। अस्तु, स्वागतं नमः सर्वेभ्यः। अद्यतन रविवासरस्य कक्षायां सर्वेषां स्वागतं। प्रार्थनया प्रारम्भं कुर्मः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। ओम तत्सत्। इदानीम् अनुनासिकसन्धेः प्रसक्तिः नूतना सन्धिः श्रीलिङ्गे शब्दः नूतना सन्धिः अनुनासिकसन्धिः इति। यथा नामधेये एव ज्ञास्यते अस्माभिः, अनुनासिक इत्युक्ते वर्गीयव्यञ्जनानां पञ्चमाक्षरः क ख ग घ ङ इति यदस्ति, एवमेव छ छ ज ज इत्यत्र ङ इति यदस्ति, तदनन्तरं ट ठ ड ढ ण ण इति यदस्ति, अपि च त थ द द न इति न, प प ब भ म इत्यत्र म, पञ्चमवर्गस्य पञ्चमाक्षराणां प्रसक्तिः अस्मिन् सन्धौ भविष्यति। पञ्चमाक्षराणां प्रसक्तिः कदा पञ्चमाक्षराणां प्रसक्तिः इति इदानीम् उदाहरणद्वारा प्रथमं ज्ञात्वा तदनन्तरं तत्र नियमाः के के इति ज्ञास्यामः। अद्भुतमस्ति। जगन्नाथस्य दर्शनं कृत्वा एव अद्यतनकक्षायाः आरम्भः। सुन्दरः दृश्यते जगन्नाथः। जगन्नाथस्य मन्दिरं पुर्याम् अस्ति। पुरीनगरं पुर्याम्, ओके, पुर्याम् अस्ति। तु सप्तमी एकवचन, पुरी इत्यस्य सप्तमी एकवचने पुर्याम् इति। in the Puri Nagara. So Jagannathasya mandiram Puryam asti. Atra Jagannathasya ityatra anunasika sandehe prasaktihi vartate. Katam tat अत्र पश्यामः। जगन्नाथः इत्यत्र जगत् प्लस नाथः इति मूलस्वरूपः जगत् इति तकारान्तरूपं, तस्य परिवर्तनेन नकारः श्रूयते। थ प्लस न, अग्रे नकारस्य प्रसक्तिः अनुनासिकवर्णस्य प्रसक्तिः अस्ति इति कृत्वा यत् वर्गप्रथमाक्षरः तकारः तस्मिन्नेव वर्गस्य अन्तिमाक्षरेण परिवर्तितं भवति। अत्र यत्किमपि अनुनासिकवर्णः स्यात्, परन्तु वर्गे अन्तिमाक्षरं नकारः एव श्रूयते। अत्र किं नकारः अपि अस्ति, अत्र नूतननकारः अपि आगमिष्यति, तकारस्य स्थाने नकारद्वयं शृणुमः। जगन्नाथः इति प्रेसिंग नकार नकार, जगन् अटैक विथ a nakara, exit with a nakara, jagannatha. If it was only one nakara, you would have heard jagannatha, or if there was no nakara, you would have had a horrible sandhi called jagatnatha. Jagatnatha. See how the throat and your whole chest struggles to pronounce that. Okay, jagatnatha. It's not natural. So beautiful sandhi to soften that. Okay, so just like jashtva helps us to soften going from first column to third column under certain circumstances, this guy also helps to soften the word pronunciation using anunasika column because of the influence of the anunasika kala vakshara. If you remember the jashtva, क्षम्यतां संस्कृते एव वक्तुं प्रयत्नं करोमि। जष्ट्वे किम् अभवत्, वर्गस्य प्रथम द्वितीय तृतीय चतुर्थ अक्षराणां प्रसक्तिः आसीत् तत्र किल। अत्र इन्फ्लुएन्सर् वर्गस्य पञ्चमाक्षरम्, अनुनासिकाक्षरम् is the influencer. So there is a subtle difference between Jastva and Anunasika, but you can see how closely they are related. Both are related in softening the pronunciation. In Jastva, the third column Ghosha Shabda is enforced. in Anunasika Sandhi, the fifth column Anunasika Varna is enforced as a Adesha. Adesha means Adeshaha Shatruvat we say. Okay, it replaces the existing fella and comes in. Okay, Agamaha Adesha in Vyakaranas have their own jokes. Okay, so in the Sutra, na, they will define it. Adeshaha Shatruvat, Agamaha Mitravat, like that. Okay, so Agama is like a Mitra, he joins the force. Adesha is like a Shatru, he replaces you. Okay, they were very, they had fun, their own fun. Anyway, so that is the whole mother lode about Jagannatha Shabda. Okay, and if you want to know a little bit further, of course, he is not so trivial that the mother lode is ending in Anunasika Sandhi. This is a Samasta Pada also. Jagatah Natah, Jagat plus Natah, Jagannatha. So there is a Jagatah Natah is the Vigraha Vakya. Jagatah Natah Yaha Saha Jagannatha. And so there is first a samasa where the Jagataha Shashti Vibhakti ending is removed. The Pratipadika Jagat is brought back and it's added to the Pratipadika Natha. Jagat plus Natha becomes Jagannatha. Then the required Supratyaya Jagannatha if it is Pratamar, Jagannathe if it is Saptami, like that will emerge. Okay, so that is the whole process. Of course, Sanskrit never ends there. As you know, Jagat will have its Vyutpatti, Natha will have its Vyutpatti. You can go down to the atoms. That good is this language. Okay. Astu. Anybody has a question? Somebody is unmuted. Let me check. No, it's just the field noise. Okay. So Jagannatha's temple is in Puri. Very straightforward sentence. Shanmukaha Shivasya Putraha. Shanmukaha Shivasya Putraha. Shanmuka is the son of Shiva. Fairly straightforward. How did Shanmuka come about? Shat Mukaha becomes Shanmukaha. See, Makara is the influencer. Makara is the fifth column letter of Pavarga. Pa, pa, bha, bha, ma. But Takara's fifth letter, which is Nakara, is the Adesha. Even though it is the a Shatru, it is a compatible Shatru. So, Na plus Ma will be heard. Shanmukaha. So, Halantanakara. So, Shanmukaha. Like that. Okay. So, Shatmukaha. So, one with the 6 heads. Yeah, there is a nice story behind that. I'm sure many of you know that. Yeah, it will keep moving. Dingnagaha nama diggajaha. Dingnaga. Yes, Mahodaya.
On Shat Annam, I was just wondering, sometimes, for example, in Chatva Sandhi, we had a similar example, Shat Kadyani. The ta there is the third column,
Jastva.
whereas,
There is a Jastva there. Here
so
there is a
the,
Anunasika.
okay, so there's a Jastva and then a
Ah,
Chatva.
no. There, over there. What was the word you used?
Shat Kadyani.
Shat Kadyani. Probably Shed Kadyani and then again Chartva Shat Kadyani. Correct. Because
Yes.
Thakara is influencing the Chartva there. Yeah,
Oh,
perhaps. Yeah.
Dhanyavad.
Good observation. So Shanmukaha Shivasya Putraha. So Dingnagaha Nama Diggajaha. The name Dinnaga or plurality of Dingnagas means Diggajaha. In fact, there is a Sandhi here also. This is the Jastva. Here there is a pure Jastva. Here there is Anunasika. So actually this is an example which carries both the Sandhis in one sentence. Okay, and about pretty much for the same word, except the Paryaya Pada of Gaja as Naga is taken. Naga is a Paryaya Pada available for Gaja as well as for snakes. It is something about how it moves and derived from that, perhaps. That's what I can kind of make out. So probably that sinuous movement that an elephant carries. Elegant sinuous movement. Maybe that's why it's named like that. Anyway, I'm not too confident of what I'm saying, but you can see that. Anyway, so Ding Nagaha. So in both places, Dik is the original Shabda. Dik direction. Come here. Ding Nagaha. Dik plus Nagaha. Kakara goes to Panchamakshara, Varga Panchamakshara. Ng. So Dingnagaha. Dingnagaha. So Kakara is softened out with the Anunasika in the presence of the Anunasika Nakara. So you can see first case the influencer was a Nakara, second case was a Makara, again Nakara. Makara Nakaras are dominant, so you won't find a word starting with Nyakara, Nyakara like that. So you will find Ana also is very rare as a first letter. I can't think of Anatva, Nijatva. So there is one word with Anatva, something like that. So yeah, that is a technical word. So we don't want to bring it here. It's not a Laukika word. So typically you'll find Nakara Makara as the influencer because they are dominantly present in beginning of the word. There was somebody unmuted. Okay, now I got them muted. That's what was the noise about. Sorry, should have tried a mute all earlier. So what is this Diggaja, Dingnaga actually? If you remember, we had this in the Padaprayoga section, I think in the things to learn. So the 10 or 8 directions, 10 if you take the up and down like that. So the protector of the direction is the Diggaja and also Dingnaga. Okay, Sarpaha Tvang mochanam karoti is not very readable there. So I have to go here to read it. Tvang mochanam. So tvang mochanam karoti. Okay, mochanam and tvang is there. Tvang comes from tvak. Tvak. Okay, so tvak mochanam. Most of them are more or less samasa padas which are looks like shashti tat purushas. Okay. Maybe this is slightly different because Shat Mukaha Yasya Saha iti Bahuvrihi. So others are Tatpurusha maybe. Okay, anyway. So the Tvak Mochanam. So Mochanam means to release, to give mukti. The word mukti. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, so Mochanam means when anybody joins, I get this pop out attention problem. Anyway, sorry about that. So you may not know what's happening on my screen. So Mukti. So Tvak Mochanam. If you know snakes, lizards, certain insects, they are all Tvang Mochakaha. So Tvang Mochanam is the Kriya, is the action of dropping the skin and getting a new renewed skin. So even our famous cockroach does it to our astonishment because you'll be finding a white cockroach skin sometime and wonder where that whiteness was. It's a transparent white. Anyway, so Sarpaha Tvang Mochanam Karoti. Mannivasaha. Mat Nivasaha. Mat Nivasaha. The word mat comes back to us from the Aham Shabda. Okay. So मत् निवासः मन्निवासः इतः अतिनिकटे एव अस्ति मन्निवासः इतः अतिनिकटे एव अस्ति इतः from here. So my place of residence from here very nearby in indeed is there. That is a butler. Okay. So mannivasah itah atinikate eva asti. Mat Nivasaha Man Nivasaha. Takara goes to this similar to Jagannatha. So then Brihan Nagaram etat. Brihat plus Nagaram similar to Jagannatha. Is a
Sir,
question.
this Manvasaha, is it similar to this Madarte that we saw yesterday? Mat Arte.
Yes. Similar to that. Okay. Similar.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you.
We were yesterday trying to figure out what is the origin. Need to dig a little bit because Mama May is there, so it is clearly some samasa parivartana. Okay, so matu, matu, asmatu, like that, something like that is there, no? So maybe it is coming from asmat, matu, something like that. Okay, let us dig that separately. Brihannagaram etat Brihat Nagaram, we saw that. Yet Bhavata Uktam Tanna Rochate Mahyam. Whatever was told by you, that was not desired by me or liked by me. Mahyam Rochate. So it is in a Karmani sense. Okay. To me, it is not liked like that. Okay. So tat rochate is the association, karma pada. So tat na rochate, tanna rochate. So tat na, again similar to Jagannatha, takara switching to nakara. Durgatanam unnayanam asmakam kartavyam. Durgatanam, those who have fallen into some kind of difficulty. Durgatikaha, tesham, durgatanam, tasya tayoho tesham, sashti bahuvachana. Okay. Unnayanam, lifting up, act of lifting up. Okay. Asmakam kartavyam, our duty. Utnayanam generates unnayanam. Again, takara to nakara. Lots of examples of that. Samskrita Vangmayam. See, Vangmaya word, which is a name that we give to the world of words and good words. Samskrita Vangmayam, not any words. So Samskrita Vangmayam Bahu Vistrutam Asti. It is very, very elaborate, vast. That is the word. So here, Vak plus Mayam, Vangmayam, Vangmayam. Almost like a little bit of Gakara is heard, but it's just under the breath. So Vakmayam here, Vakmayam, Vangmayam. So don't pronounce the Gakara too much, because we in the south we tend to do that. Vangamayam, Vangamayam, like that. Vango Pongo types. But so Vangmayam, don't have to pronounce the Gakara. We love our third column letters in south. Tannama iti padam tena bahudha prayujyate. Tat nama tannama iti padam tena bahudha prayujyate. So somebody keeps saying tannama, tannama, tannama like that, then this is can be said about that person. When somebody in the speech says, that is, some professors are there, no, we are because we are not so interested in what they are telling, we are counting how many words of that he told and keeping a competition between is normal in our high school era, even college for that matter. So like this, it was happening in Samskrita Vangmaya also. So tannama iti padam tena bahuda prayujyate. He keeps using the word tannama like that. Tatu nama tannama, like Jagannatha, takara to nakara. So we saw this. These are all examples of anunasika sandhi. When or now the niyama. Okay. So udaharanam niyamakaranam. Samskrita Bharatyaha Vakyasphota Paddhati. When a classified consonant, Vargiya Vyanjanam, is followed by the fifth letter of any Varga, every word is important. In fact, here it's in English we are saying, but if you go to Panini, he will say this whole thing in 2 words maybe. So he has his own techniques. Any Varga, it is replaced by fifth letter of respective Varga. Respective Varga. Respective to what? To what is replaced. So takara goes to nakara, kakara goes to ngakara, like that. And here generally we have seen ta, ta, ka, t, sorry, t, k, t. So technically we have seen largely first column letters, if you see. There is, because it's very rare to find a Mahaprana ending or a Gosha ending naturally. So it starts like that and then goes to Gosha ending like Jagad due to Sandhi Karya, etc. Okay, this one, of course, not that there are some Dakaranta Pratipadikas, but this one doesn't happen to be that. Okay, so just a minute. Okay, this one doesn't happen to be that type. So most of them happen to be first column letters. So the rule is appears to be broader than required, but you should notice Panini is trying to cover a vast world, not the small world. Our Vangmaya is so limited. So he's trying to cover a very vast world of prakriya of the shabdas, how they come from dhatus, etc. Dhatus, they are liberal in using all kinds of letters, because the final word won't use all that complication. It will have softenings, etc. happening. So dhatu starts out being pretty tough. When a classified consonant is followed by the fifth letter of any varga, it is replaced by the fifth letter of the respective varga. This sandhi is optional. Underline that in your mind. I should have highlighted that. When it is between two different words. Okay, sorry, not much of a highlight. We know this. Any sandhi is optional when it is between two different words. I don't know why they said this sandhi. Maybe there are one or two sandhis that are exclusion. I have to think. However, when it is between a prakriti and a pratyaya, this is the word generation techniques. Huh? A prakriti and a pratyaya that begins with an anunasika varna, a pratyaya that begins with an anunasika varna, bracket that whole thing. Okay, the sandhi is compulsory. Samasepi sandhihi nitya. I have added that. They should have stated that because almost a lot of the examples here are samasas. Okay, some of them are of course with vivaksha sandhis, but many of them are actually samasas. You cannot make it jagat space nataha like that. It is a meaningless combination because jagat is not a usable word. It is a pratipadika. So we have to make it jagannatha, or you have to say jagataha nataha in the vigraha vakya sense in the sentence. It'll never sound like Jagannatha if you don't say if you say Jagataha Nathaha. I mean, so better to do the sandhi. Sometimes even samas are good to be nitya. Anyway, um, Vak malam, Vang malam, Vagmulam. Okay. Very interesting. Very interesting. Oh, this is more like it. I like this example. See, now the sense of sandhi is optional. This sandhi is optional makes sense to me. Okay, so
We can
here,
write either way, doctor. Can
that's
we
what.
write either way?
But I don't
Vagmulam?
like this
Yeah.
Jagatnataha. So it is not
Yeah.
between two words. That's why we cannot do the Jagatnataha as a word. Okay. Whereas between Vak and Moolam, Vak is an authentic possibility also as a word. So Vang Moolam or Vag Moolam, you can do the other sandhi. Kakara to Gakara sandhi also. So maybe Vak comes from Vag. Okay, something like that. So Vag Moolam is also allowed. Now we have to, of course, analyze how that is there. But this sandhi generates Vang Moolam. Okay. Tad matram, tan matram. Okay. So here matram is a suffix. Matricha something. Suffix that begins with an anunasika varna makara. So the sandhi is compulsory in this case. Okay.
Sir, here, this Vag Moolam, the second option that they have given, Vag Moolam, is it coming from the fact that you explained when you explained this Jashto Sandhi, where you said, irrespective of what follows, the Vag will change to
Soften
Vag.
to Vag. Correct.
And
Correct.
therefore, after that, if you stop forever and say, I will not apply this Anunasika Sandhi, then
Anunasika sandhi, it remains Vag. Correct observation. So even Anunasika sandhi can be preceded by a Jashtva, and then so here they have shown as if it is coming from the Char letters, Takara like that. So if you walk through the Prakriya according to Paninian flow software, you will first drop into a Jashtva, Jagad plus Nataha, then drop into Anunasika, Jagannataha. So the transformation will be two-step. That is indicated right here by this Vagmulam. Very well observed. Okay. Thank you.
And Mahodaya, that statement that you have made there, I remember having seen this also in Samya Krishnapur Mahodiya's lecture, where she said, Samhitaika pade nitya nitya dhatu upasargayoho nitya samase vakyetu sa vivaksham apekshate. This
Apekshate.
is
Correct. Correct.
this is a
So
statement I've heard.
correct. No, it is a famous ukti in the Vyakarana world. Where is Sandhi Nitya and where it is optional due to Vivaksha of the Vaktu or the Vaktu only, because whoever tells only has the Vivaksha. The listener is forced to listen to the Sandhi, so he doesn't have much Vivaksha. Okay, choice Vivaksha means. Okay, very good. So all right. So we have learned this very well. So let us quickly try this abhyasa. Okay. So we can crowdsource with you guys. Tvannivasah.
Twatnivasah.
Takara. Very simple to reverse this. Okay. Look at the first attack letter. If it is nakara, then go to first column takara. You go to first column, and if some places it may come from other columns, but most likely we have seen it comes from first column as the original, reversing even the Jastva in many places. Okay, but you don't have to struggle to mention all that. If you want to put it in brackets, put the main answer like Samskrita Bharati's Abhyasa style, then put in bracket, there is a Jastva reversal also or something like that. Okay. All right. So, Tvat Nivasaha Tava. Nivasaha Tvat Nivasaha. Tu na is the Sandhi movement and reversing that to na to tu. Sanmanam.
Satnamanam.
Namanam. So it is not actually I pronounced it wrong. Sannamanam. Sannamanam. So Sat plus Namanam. How critical pronunciation is it? Sat plus Namanam.
Sammanam Mahodaya.
Huh?
Sanmanam.
No, no. Namanam.
Sanmanam also sounds like Anunasika Sandhi. Correct. Sat, Manam, Sanmanam like that. Shannamani. Shannamani. Nakara. Shat Namani. So here what has happened? The second Nakara changing to Nakara is due to some Natva process that has happened. Okay. So, or some Savarnya has forces because Namani doesn't originally come out. Namani is what comes out. So, this is a bit of it could have been put in the lesson with a little bit more elaboration, but okay, we will take that here. Okay. So,
Okay.
Jagan.
Mahoday, why is it not shad instead of shat?
We just discussed, no? So it actually always goes through Jastva and then comes to Anuswara, but we are reversing to the Moola.
Okay. Okay.
We have been doing that earlier also. Huh?
Yeah.
Same answer. Jastva is dominantly there in the path. Okay. But it's not being explicitly demonstrated in these examples. We are reversing back to the pre-Jastva status. Yeah. Jaganniyamakaha.
Jagat Niyamakaha.
Very easy. Jagannatha prototype. Okay. Tannirakaranam.
Tat
Nirakaran.
Tat Nirakaranam. Lots of them are Takara. So what is Jaganniyamakaha? The guy who sets the rules for the world, Paramatma.
Oh, yeah.
And then Tat Nirakaranam means the refusal of something.
Yeah.
Okay. Tan Nirakaranam Tena Kritam. The rejection was done by him. Like Vipannivedanam. Vipat is danger, no? Vipat Nivedanam, indication of danger, like that. So you can call a stop flag on a path of a railway line as Vipan Nivedanam. It's requesting a stop, red light. Bruhan Nishreni.
Brahat Nishreni.
See the Visarga staying as is in the middle of this thing. Nishreni. Okay, interesting kind of word, right? So because Shakara is already there, it kind of retains its flavor than doubling the Shakara. We must understand that later separately. Brihat Nishreni. Brihat Nishreni. Nihi is the kind of upasarga, under, like that. Okay.
So this means the big
Ladder. Correct. I think Nishreni means sub-step, something like that. So because the staircase or the ladder is like in steps, maybe the word Nishreni is how the engineering name is for that. Shreni is like a series of things, right? Nishreni, one that takes from below to above.
Maybe the series of hillocks or something like Nishreni.
What did you say, madam? I didn't hear.
Is it the series of hillocks you get now one after the other?
That also could be correct. Very good. Yeah, the Sapta Giri. Correct. Also we use Nishreni. I put ladder here, but maybe what you are saying sounds better to me. I think it here means maybe a series of huge hillocks, something like that. Perhaps. Interesting. Anyway, it's a staircase to heaven, that one. The best. We call it Swargarohini, no? In Badri, I trekked there. It's a beautiful place. It was my first trek in my life. So you start from Badri and you go for 3-4 days. You can go to the not absolute where of course Pandavas eventually reached, but you can go up to where only the, Yudhishthira remained and continued. After that, it is very tough. Yudhishthira and
So
the dog.
what is the name of that place, sir?
Swargarohini.
No, the trek that you went.
Swargarohini trek.
Okay,
Swargarohini trek.
okay, great.
All treks are named after the destination typically.
Okay, thank you, Swarga Rohini.
Yeah. It's dangerous in parts, but not too bad. It's a good one to start with. Yeah. You need a good guide. Yeah. All right.
Yeah,
In
thank you.
Mana village, there is a very good guide.
Sir, I asked because I've been to Auli from Badrinath, and Auli was also a trek of pretty difficult trek and for 7 days. So that's why I asked.
I think
thought
it's a
maybe
slightly different path. I know that one side of
Okay.
Alkananda, if you turn around behind Badri temple, you will get this Swargarohini Parvata. Okay.
Okay.
And
Okay.
if you switch over and go on the other side of Alkananda, that's what is the name, I guess.
Yeah.
Alkananda. Yeah. So other side of Alkananda, you will probably go to the Auli path or something like that.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. That's where
I
I.
roughly remember something like that.
Yeah,
So did you
that's
go to the Vyasa Guha and all that?
Yes, sir. I went there. It was beautiful. Absolutely. Like it has really very strong vibrations, and I mean, I feel blessed to have been there. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Nice. You must drink tea from the shop there and all that. Of course, I'm sure you did that. Astu. Good.
Yeah.
So Mannama, how does
Matnam.
Madnama, again Mama. Okay. Mahannakshatram.
Mahat.
Mahannakshatram. It's a child's play now. Anunasika
Yes.
Sandhi. Okay.
Yeah.
Tasman Narakat.
Tasmat.
Tasmat, from that hell,
Yeah.
oh, many hells, from that hell. Or maybe Tasmat is for that reason from hell. That also can be told. Tasmat has a slightly different meaning due to that reason, like that, no? So we use it in an extended meaning like that. Tasmat simply means from that, but we sometimes extend the meaning to mean from due to that reason. We assume reason as Tasmat. Okay. So Tasmat Naraka. Joining is even easier. So Takara to Nakara. So Nakara. Sakrun Nivedanam is the answer. So like this, I will keep moving because we will just move in due to time factor. So Tat Nimittam Tan Nimittam. Samrat Nayati. Here there is something new. Takara. Ta ta da da na. Okay. Samran. Okay. But Nakara has to also switch to Nakara. Just like Shanna.
This
Oh, Samran Nayati only is there.
Samran Nayati. Yeah.
I feel the mouth gives out Samran Nayati only. It's very difficult to say the Nakara. So I have my own doubts. I have to check the book again. This is chapter 4.
It will be Samra, no, not Samra.
Samran Nayati.
Samran, I think I meant
Nakara.
Samrani. Sorry.
Nakara.
It is. This is my bad. Sakara should be.
That's okay, sir. Yeah.
That you forgive me for that.
Samran Nayati.
Let us
So
see.
start na end with na, sir. Samran Nayati.
Samran. But here, let us see what they have put. I have go to search. Yeah. So here they have.
There's no Nakara, sir.
Pranayati. Correct. My word is completely bad. So right here, let me correct that. Because these things, if they remain, I'll keep teaching bad.
Samran Nayati. Yeah.
So it was totally my bad. So it's exactly like Shannamani. The sun is very clear.
Takara and Nakara is Nakara.
And Nakara becomes Nakara.
I hope you guys are still seeing the screen.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Can you
Yet,
once again explain rule of
Bhagini,
how
Bhagini?
no, how no changes to no? Can you just explain that again?
Yeah, I think Natva has many rules. Okay. In one case, a nakara changes to a nakara due to the repamsha, shakaramsha, etc. If you remember, okay, repar this thing. But in the so this third changing to nakara is due to sandhi simply. Okay, Samrad first switch over due to Jastva, then Samran due to Anunasika Sandhi. Okay, Dakara changing to Nakara. But we look at it as Takara changing to Nakara. Then due to this Nakara and continued presence of Repamsha, due to some condition, Nakara also softens to a Nakara. That means it changes Varga. Okay, Nakara has this power to pull in the same Savarga. Okay. So, but that has not been explained. Sanskrit Bharati right now is not what you call troubling us to lift us to that level, because the sutras involved in defining that and all come into play. So they said it's okay, let them learn these forms as we have practiced with actual practiced words like Shannamani, Samrannayati, like that. Maybe at some point they will go into the sutra aspect of that. Okay.
Sir, अत्र ष्टुत्वसन्धि स्यात् न परिवर्तन भवति अण because paravardhana va purvavardhana ष्टुत्वसन्धि applies both ways, so no changes to na
ष्टुत्वे
न
वर्ग पञ्चमाक्षरस्य प्रसक्तिः भवति वा तत् द्रष्टव्यं प्रथमम्।
आम् सर्
अस्ति वा? तर्हि पुनः तत् बहु सम्यक् स्वीटी वर्ये किल, बहु सम्यक् चिन्तितं भवता, तस्य भवत्या तत् पुनः परीक्षणं कुर्मः। ष्टुत्वेन तत् परिवर्तनं भवति वा इति पुनः पश्यामः। अस्तु, यत् मण्डलं, सो takara to nakara with makara, yan mandalam, very straightforward, no other play here. Okay, dik moodaha, ding moodaha, we see that ding nagaha, like that, ding moodaha. Sampat manyata, sampad manyata first turn, then sampan manyata nakara. Okay, Virat Nagari, Viran Nagari. Again nakara dvayam. Okay, I don't know whether again I have made a mistake here, so I will check the book.
It is Viran Nagari.
Everywhere Natva is kind of happening due to some Santi which we have to explore. Okay. One nimsham. Somebody is still doing street sales. So sweet to hear that. Okay. It is all gone in our community and all that, where we live in compounded places. Anyway, so some Viran Nagari. Suhrut Nama, Suhrun Nama, easy one. Okay, Suhrut Nama. So some meanings, because we are skipping thing. Tat Nimittam, due to that reason. Sakrit Vinivedanam, urgent urgent request. Okay, Samrad Nayati, the king takes. Okay, something like that are rules. Yat mandalam, yan mandalam, in which area, something like that. Dik moodaha, a guy who is confused about directions, that means somebody has hit him hard or he is lost. Sampan manyata, respect for some richness. Okay, but not necessarily dhana. Okay, it can be vidya also. Viran Nagari, so broad town. Okay, then Suhrut Nama means friend's name perhaps. Okay, Mama Suhrun Nama Vishwamitram iti, something like that. I wish, because my name is Valmiki, I can say that. Okay, Etat Nashwaram, Etan Nashwaram. This one is waste, like that. Tasman needat. Okay, tasmat needat, tasman needat. Needa. You see, if you remember the egg of the kaka kaki and all that, the snake, you will know needa. So it is the house of a bird. Okay, Nida. So Kasman Nidat is from that what do you call that in English?
Nest.
Nest. Thank you. Nest. Yeah. Every place where we are learning something, there is usually 3-4 other things to learn. So let us also try to get because for me the joy is in knowing these new words and building the repertoire. So we'll try that. Many times I may be in error. So with my limited knowledge. Yeah.
Sir, 1 minute. In the Anunasika, they've not dealt with the yara lover.
If you go back to the niyamas, okay, when a classified consonant is followed by the 5th letter of any varga, so it is strictly a rule between vargiya vyanjanas.
Okay, all right.
Okay. So other rules may play there with avargiya vyanjana and all that. It's not the bother. It's not the field of this sandhi. Okay. The scope of this sandhi is limited to vargiya vyanjana play. Okay.
Okay.
No problem. Oh my God, it keeps popping up. I don't know how to. Okay. So now next sandhi. Oh, this time they are compounding us with double work. So because there is a lot of portion.
Mahodaya, this Suhrt Nama is interesting because unlike in other cases, the Paravarna has not become Na. It has remained Na.
I don't know why you're saying that, because it's not there is no nakara generated from Suhrut. So why are you saying what you're saying?
No, because in the previous one.
No, that was a takara to nakara. Remember, okay. See, the takara due to Anunasika Sandhi becoming nakara is further influencing the nakara to change to nakara.
Okay. So that is because of the Shtutva.
That's what Bhagini has told. Okay. Yeah. Bhagini has volunteered that may be the reason. Let us not stand on that. I am not confident.
No, because otherwise, in Suhrat Nama also, if there were a Shtutva, Da becomes Na again, and Suhrat Nama would be correct.
Where is Dakara in Suhrud?
Suhrud.
Dakara.
Da because of the Jastva. Da becomes Da because of the Jastva.
Correct.
And then Da becomes Na.
Same thing happens with Virat also. I don't know why you are pulling out Jastva only for Suhrut. Virat also goes to Virat and then Viran.
So it becomes Na.
Yeah, because it's a Varga Panchama. Nakara is the Varga Panchama of Takara. Ta, tha, da, dha, na.
Okay.
Nakara is the Varga Panchama of Tavarga. Ta, tha, da, dha, na.
Whether it is Suhrut or Suhrut, it will become the Varga Panchama of that only. That becomes now.
Correct. See, the Jastva is not pushing around with the Varga row, no. Jastva is only softening to 3rd column. And then this further softens to 5th column. So you can say Anunasika Sandhi is a further softening. Second softening.
This is only with the Vyanjanas, sir. This is only with the Vyanjanas, that's all.
Yeah, and Vargiya Vyanjana to boot. Okay.
Yeah, Vargiya Vyanjana. So it's easy to.
No. See, that's why Samskrita Bharati is not trying to distract us with other processes that are happening. See what happens. If you start knowing too many steps, you also lead to more confusions for now. So they are saying, okay, let's just go from the Pratipadika form and call this Anunasika Sandhi and leave it at that. They know behind the scene there are few other transformations, and they have mentioned earlier in one of the lessons. Necessarily Jastva and these things that have happened there like that, they have indicated. Okay. All right. So now Bhagini volunteers to say there is Shtutva here. Now I need to check in the Sutra order is Shtutva allowed after this Anunasika Varna. There are a lot of things at play because sometimes parallel actions are possible. That means Shtutva can come back into the equation after Anunasika Sandhi. It may be. We have to go back to Panini Acharya and look at his software and determine, is that possible? Or is there some other reason why Nakara appeared? We need to explore. But she volunteered saying maybe it is a Shtutva. I don't know enough to oppose her. So I will for now tentatively say maybe that is the exploration path for us. Okay. But don't get confused that everything that is said is the final word. Okay. Keep your Viveka. Yeah. Mahodaya.
Mahodaya, that Shtutva is for Virat Nagari or for something else, Mahodaya? Just checking what.
She mentioned that it is for the Virat Nagari example. She mentioned that. And that means she extends that to Shandnamani, etc. perhaps.
Acha, okay. But I would think that is Natva Vidhanam. I posted on the chat, but it's okay. No problem.
Yeah. I earlier, that's why I put Natvascha, but it's my volunteering. It is not some Samskrita Bharati book telling me there is Natva there. So I am not Pandit enough to prove that. So I just left it as that. Okay, whether the Nakara, Natva is still there as a dharma, the Nakara has arrived, so Natva, but is it the classical Natva process or is something else we have to see?
Okay, thank you, Mahodaya.
As you know, Natva has lot of rules. There is a whole booklet of Samskrita Bharati about Natva and Nijatva like that. Okay, Janardana Hegde Varya has lot of such intricate detailed books which go into these aspects. So maybe we have to explore there. Okay. So let's come back to Numuda Agama Sandhi. So this one doesn't have a Laukika name. Just like Jastva, Chartva all have technical names. This guy also has a Alaukika or what you call Shastriya Nama. Numuda Agama. What is this Numut? Actually, it is a softening of Numut. Again, Jastva has happened within the name there. Numut is actually a technical set name. Okay, Numut is a set name. So the arrival of the Numut, okay, is called Numudagama Sandhi. But we will see more with examples and explanation here. What Numut is? See, Numun, see that one. Anyway, Sarvasmin api Devaha asti. Sarvasmin api Devaha asti. Everywhere. So Sarvasmin api, Nakara with this Akara, the Swara switching to Nakara to help the pronunciation in the Sandhi. Sarvasmin api. So the Akara, so there is actually an Agama. That's why it's called Agama Sandhi. This is a friendly Sandhi. Okay, it's not a Shatru Sandhi. So neither Nakara nor Akara disappears after the Sandhi. An additional Nakara appears. Because the Akara remains, it becomes N, A. See, A is hidden within the N, A. So it is not gone. So that's why it's called Agama Sandhi. So Numud Agama Sandhi. So that explains the whole technicality of that name. So Sarvasmin api Devaha asti. The God is there everywhere. Belief of some of us. Balakaha Rudannagataha.
Hello,
Yes,
sir.
yes,
One
Bhagini.
doubt. Sir, this all these type of sandhis have instead of swar in the second word, is it? I mean, mostly.
Very good. See, this guy, the influencer is we will see the rules later. Okay, but you can see now we can just look at Hrisva Swara is there. Okay, and then there is some followed by a Swara. So there are a lot of Swara neighborhood influencers for this Sandhi. It's not very straightforward. It has got more conditions than two letters attacking each other. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
We will see that later. Okay, that has been gathered later. Let us look at the examples. Okay. Samskrita Bharati will never ask you to define these things. It will give you a lot of examples and ask you to go from here to there to here. That's how they go. Typically, either as a list of words or as a sentence example, somewhere it will appear. Anyway, Balakaha Rudan Agataha Shatru Pratyaya Rudan Agataha Rudan Agataha. So Akara previous to that an additional Nakara. So Rudan Agataha. So Rudan Agataha. Okay. Okay, if you want to know the Paninian Sutra, I have it here. Namo Hriswadinu Munnityam. There is a Nakara in the Numun like that. Here it is a Numuda Agama. So the different sandhis are played within Paninian world actually. Anyway. So that Numun.
So, sir, Rudan will be Shatrupat.
Yes,
Shatru usage.
Shatru. Yes, Shatru. Huh? Rudan crying, he comes. He's coming and crying. Or he came and was crying when he came. Past tense. Okay. अस्मिन् औषधे उत्तमगुणाः सन्ति. अस्मिन् औषधे औकार, but additional nakara has appeared in the sandhi. Asmin naushade. So one attack nakara, one exit nakara, which is a nau. So asmin naushade uttama gunaha santi. Okay. Bhavan kutra gachan asti. So gachan asti, gachan asti. Okay. So where are you going? So what is the previous one? In this medicine, there are many good qualities. Hopefully in every medicine. Okay. Etasmin eva marge. Etasmin neva. So etasmin plus eva. Very straightforward everywhere. One thing if you notice, nakara, 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 nakara. Okay. So is it that the dominant examples are only for nakara? Is it something more? We will see later. Okay. So far every single thing, and also by expanding, every single thing up to number 10 is with nakara. Anyway, gachan asti. Etasmin eva marge tasya griham asti. In this road only his house is there. Etasmin eva. Saha hasan avadat. Shilpa, you need help? Oh, sorry, you are there. Okay. Saha hasan avadat. So smilingly he told. Okay. Hopefully that is the way of the world. So saha sambhashanam kurvanneva pranan atyajat. Oh, so sad. So while talking, even as talking, kurvan eva hasan, many shatrantas. Gachan, asmin is not a shatranta, but gachan, hasan, kurvan, everything, all this rudan, many shatrantas are candidates for this sandhi. Okay. Sambhashanam kurvan eva pranan atyajat. Even as he was discussing or talking, he left this world. He left his heirs. That's what we say. Te agachanniti kena uktam. Agachanniti. Agachan. I expanded and struggling. Te agachan iti kena uktam. This is a langa abhuta. So agachat iti agachan plus iti due to I can say the anuswara sandhi, further numudagama agachan iti. So here you can say there is jastva anunasika numudagama at play, one after the other is how I see it, because this agachan is agachat. Oh, agachan, sorry, plural. My bad. There is no agachat there. Agachat, agachante. Te is plural. Okay. So saha taute. So saha agachat, te agachan. Kriya, kila. So te agachan iti kena uktam agachan iti. So there is only numudagama. There is no all those other things. It's not coming from agachat. But technically, whether from agachat that will happen, I have to cross check. Tasmin vishwasah mastu bhavatah. In him, tasmin, in him. Saha taute tam tautantena tabhyam tasya tayoho tesham tasmin tayoho tesho. So in him, okay, or in that, if it is not coming from napumsaka. Vishwasah mastu bhavatah. Don't trust him. That's what this is, the phrase level translation in English. Okay. Purvasmin adhyaye. So adhyaya changing to nadhyaya. So purvasmin adhyaye eshaha vishayah ukta asti. So something has been told in the previous chapter like this. Some examples they have given. So we don't need to look here.
Sorry, sir, in the earlier one, it's tasmin avishwasah mastu.
Tasmin avishwasah mastu. Oh, sorry, I completely twisted the meaning. Correct. I forgot the akara. Tasmin avishwasah mastu bhavata. That means trust him. Sorry. Okay. Thanks, Bhagini. You have to be very cautious with Sanskrit. The Sandhi words printed in bold above are all split up as follows. That's fine. So I have given 2 examples out of syllabus according to Sanskrit Bharati, but that covers this formula a little better. So Pratyang Atma. Okay. Pratyang Atma, Pratyang Atma. This is an extremely Paninian example. That's why Sanskrit Bharati has not tried to throw it in. So probably this means in every soul, something like that. Pratyekasmin, something like that is the pratyang. I'm not too confident also. We'll figure that out later. But this is one of the places where nakara is not there, but kakara kavargasya antimakshara ang isti. Sugun ishaha, sugun ishaha. This is another Lagu Siddhanta Kaumudi classic example, so Vyakarana example. So this is a Laukika word. Both are Laukika words, I'm not saying, but they're very rare. Okay. So Sugun ishaha. Sugannisha, sorry, Sugunna. I hope I have brought it in correctly. Sugannisha, Sugunna. I have to check that. Anyway, the Sandhi is from Nakara to Isha. Yes, Mahodaya?
Mahodaya,
You got cut off.
sorry, Mahodaya. Sugan Ishaha is correct.
Sugan, correct.
And also, Mahodaya, incidentally, though every example here is ending with Nakara, in the Abhyasa, they have given these two as examples in 2 and 4 respectively.
Oh, okay.
Accidental.
Oh yeah, here only it is there. Yeah, I
Yes,
think they should have pulled it in as 11 and 12. So I did that. Okay, so in the updated book, we'll ask them to put it in and not put it in the Abhyasa for us.
Exactly. Maybe they were short of examples.
No, they have the Abhyasa, so they know those words. So yeah. Anyway,
Right,
Sugannishaha means a lord of a good group. Hopefully, every lord is a lord of a good group. That's not always so, we know. So anyway, in the examples above, there is an additional letter n coming after the as an agama when the sandhi takes place. This is called numudagama sandhi. This letter is neither found in the former word nor in the latter word, but it is related to the former word's last letter. Okay, that also is so rule. We'll see that when the letters n, n, so that is from this. Okay, nut, nut. Combination of this is numut. Okay, and it in different places becomes numud or numun like that. Okay, due to other sandhis. But this takara is a very technical Paninian takara. It's called adyantau takitau. That is that formula there. So when he puts this technical tag takara to a adesha like that, it means that is a adivarna. Okay, that's what this formula is telling. Okay, so take it as an adivarna. So that agama should come in the beginning place of this api, agataha, etc. Like that is saying. Okay. Anyway. There are, in that single formula there, Nyamo Hrasvadachi Nyumun Nityam, there are so many things this Acharya packs. Okay. Even the vibhakti of the technical word he gives has certain play. If it is in Tritiya, it means something. If it is in Saptami, it means something. If it is in Shashti, it means something. If it is in Pratama, it means something. He has chosen his vibhaktis nicely so that there is some Laukika sense, but he goes slightly beyond Laukika sense also. For example, when he uses Tritiya, there is a slightly beyond Laukika meaning also he takes. It's a masterful use of the Sanskritam language only to define how to define Sanskritam. Masterful. Auto programming, that means it's like a robot constructing himself like that. Anyway, so to know numun comes from here, anunasikas. Yeah, this nyamun nityam, that one comes from nyamaha. Nyamaha comes from that. So some of them are pratyaharas from Maheshwara Sutra, some of them are new coinages like this, tacking of different 3 letters into one set. Okay. Yeah. That's all diversion, just relaxation for us. Don't worry about that. Okay, but just to get a peek into his world. Okay, see that it's like ultimate peek into his techniques. Okay, in this we were here rule when the letters ng, n, n. So panchamakshara of the first varga, kavarga, and nakara is tata dadana, and nakara is tatha dadana. Okay, so these three. When the letters, these three that are preceded by a hrisva swara, we may not have noticed. It is so easy to escape that, right? It has to be first preceded by a hrisva swara. So this ng has to be with a akara there. See, pratyang. If it was pratyang, then we cannot do what this. We cannot apply this numudagama. So pratyang, this akara is aiding the nakara to do the agama. So if it is pratyang, there is no agama. So pratyang atma. If there was a word called pratyang, I may be using a ashuddha word. If there was a word called pratyang, then it will remain pratyang atma. There is no double nakara. I mean, don't ask me how we will pronounce this. Our ancients were having cleaner mouths and brains than us. They could pronounce that. Okay. All right. So that is the additional rule that is. Now we can go back and inspect. Tasmin api hrisva ikara drudan agataha akara. Da has a hrisva akara. Asmin aushade in, so hrisva ikara, like this. Everywhere there is a hrisva swara preceding the antakshara. Okay, that's why this sandhi can apply. Followed by any swara, asti. Okay, here agataha, a. Everywhere it looks like a, au is there, a is there, e is there. So quite a few examples have been thrown in. Not bad. The spread of the swara is good here. Okay, so u is not there, but I am sure we can pick up some u somewhere and build something. Okay, all right. So any swara. So how this any swara is indicated by Panini? Here achi, here hrisvad achi nityam. Achi is saptami ekavachana of ach. Ach is a pratyahara. I un rulruk that in that series ach means all the swaras. Okay, so achi means saptami. In the saptami is there for the achi to indicate it is a paranimitta, to indicate it is a postfix causal indicator for the sandhi. I mean, it is highly technical. So that's why it's in plain English or plain Sanskritam, it's selects followed by any swara. It's all indicated by achi. Expansion of that achi is this. There will be an additional n and n respectively. That is the agama. Nun. Okay, respectively. In other words, the three letters are doubled. This is Numuda Agama Sandhi. Why we don't replace, for example, why we don't bring an Akara with an Akara? There is something called Savarnya. The Agama has to be, though it is friendly, first of all, Agama is already friendly. It is a more compatible friend. So, brings in another N brings in another N brings in another N. But other places we have seen Nakara forces Nakara to itself and all that. That is due to other reasons. Okay. All right. Powerful friend he is. So some abhyasa. It is at 12 o'clock. So very quickly we will do a few and then go to the last segment after the break. Okay. Pashyanneva.
Pashyan eva.
Correct. Double. So we should not make it pashyat eva here. Okay. So it may be from it may be possible from Pashyat in some weird way. We have not explored that. Okay, we are not going back there. So Pashyan is a Shatranta. So just go back to the Shatranta, which is natively Pashyan, not due to some Pashyat changing over and all that. We don't know enough to go back that far. So just stick to Shatranta. Pashyan plus Eva, looking only, something like that. Ramaha सीतायाः आभरणं पश्यन्नेव स्थितः रुदितवान्, something like that. Okay, so pashyan eva, very good. So this is a reversal of the numunagama. Pratyangatma, we just did that in the 11th example, so nothing further. Udingaha. Udingiha. Sorry, that it is not akara. E has to come from here. Udingiha. Udangiha. Udangiha. Udang plus iha. Very good. Udang plus iha. So here, what is this udach? Udach uttara disha iti. Okay. Udang iha means here, and udang so something about some mantra with bringing north force into the place or something like udang iha, something like that, or maybe this is north, something like that. Okay. So udach means uttara disha iti. Pratyanch, pratyekasmin. It's a short form for pratyekasmin. I have obviously done some exploration to figure those out. Otherwise, I do not thrown in. It's not from my brain. It is from Google brain. Sugan Isha. Sugan Isha. We did that. Sugan plus Isha, double nakara. So like this, you guys try the remaining. You guys try this following ones also. We'll just do a couple of these. Shriman Ambarisha. Shriman wouldn't make the santi. Shriman Ambarisha. So nakara doubles and the akara remains. Shriman Ambarisha. Doesn't sound very different, but it's Shriman Ambarisha. Ambarisha, there is nothing, there's a lopa there. That's okay. So like this, okay. So let us gather back after a short break, 12:06. So 12:10 we will gather back and try to close out this chapter. Not much is left, hopefully, and see if we can afternoon get into the post chapter. So take a short water break, guys.
So, thanks.
महोदय
यस् महोदय
एकः प्रश्नः अस्ति आहु इति पदस्य अर्थः किम्?
आहूय आहु कुत्र आह
आह सम्यक् आहु इति पद
कुत्र अस्ति आहु इति कुत्र
दृश्यते
सन्दर्भं द्रष्टव्यं कुत्र आहु इति
श्लोकः कानिचित् श्लोकानि आहुपद् युज्यते
आहु इति सी aha iti some is like told like that, okay. Ahu iti maya ahutavan iti shrutam asti, ahu ahvayanti etadrisharitya asti, parantu ahu iti ahuhu iti asti kila ahuhu visargayukta ahu iti they tell like that, okay.
They tell like that.
Plural ahuhu like that.
Oh, okay. धन्यवाद महोदय.
Welcome. अस्तु अग्रे सरामः. धन्यवादः. लौकिकन्यायाः उष्ट्रलघुडन्यायः. Okay, laguda means a stick. Laguda is a stick. A camel carries a load of sticks on its back. It is then, sadly, beaten with one of those very sticks by the rider. This is the reward a beast of burden gets. This maxim is quoted when in an argument an opponent is defeated using his own logic. This is not so bad, but this is sad. Anyway, Ushtra Laguda, in Sanskritam, no, they use the most striking examples so that we'll never forget the name. Okay, Ushtra Laguda Nyayaha. Ushtra Laguda Nyayaha. So guys, remember. Huh? So when somebody is doing something and say, don't use Ushtra Laguda Nyaya on me, like that. then the whole situation reverses. They're left wondering, what are you saying? Then you deflect and you explain that. Then it's kind of nice to you remember these things. Just like in our Bhasha, Laukika Bhasha in Kannada and all, if you throw a gade, we call it. I don't know what you say in Hindi. We call it gade in Kannada. So if you throw in some gade phrase, the hammering that you do to someone is highly softened. They also kind of accept, okay, like that. Though actually what you are doing is really hammering them with that gade. Yeah. So that is Ushtra Laguda Nyaya.
Sir, in Hindi it is called Kahavat.
Kahavat, correct. Kahavat. This Kahavat way of speaking is the best. It's slowly, I mean, due to the poor usage of our mother tongues, these Kahavats are becoming all past tense, Nashwara. So we have to bring them back somehow. Though we can, I mean, keeping them in a book is no use. See, if you speak to your grandmothers, you enjoy the speech with them. Why? Because they are using these kahavats and we just don't know how. But we laugh when they speak saying, wow, so lovely, like that. Because they are always using these kahavats. They are always walking around and talking. Never, Vachyartha is never there. I mean, Vachyartha is too dumb for them to approach directly. Shwashru nirgachokti nyayah. Shwashrur nirgach. So there is a double repam, so you have to be careful. Shwashru. Okay. Shwashrur nirgachokti nyayah. Shwashrur nirgachokti nyayah. Very tough to pronounce. So shwashruhu. Shwashruhu is the word. See, that one is the word. Okay. Nirgachokti nyayah. So what is this? Shwashruhu is mother-in-law. Nirgachokti is the saying going away. Go away. I mean, the word of telling someone to beat the. There's a nice phrase in English for that. Beat it. Let's say something like that. That one. Okay, is go away. A beggar went to a house where the daughter-in-law turned him away. Crestfallen, he moved on. This story is another sad story. Meanwhile, the mother-in-law who came out took the daughter-in-law to task for what she had done and called the beggar back. He came back in the hope that he would get alms. But the mother-in-law said, "You fellow, I am the boss in this house. This girl has no authority to send you back. I am saying now, I won't give you anything. Get lost." Cannot imagine the sadness of this beggar when an easy method to accomplish a task is condemned and by a laborious method the same goal is achieved. This maxim may be quoted, but I see more opportunities for this maxim than that. Shwashru nirgachokti nyaya. There is a kahavat in Kannada saying atte odeda madakege bele illa. We say it. Okay, there is no value to the pot broken by mother-in-law. Somewhat similar, but it's another slightly different one.
Sir, all languages have this kind of kahavats. All languages.
We have to speak with those kahavats, then only we'll enjoy life. So I found a very nice picture for this authority fight between Shwashru and Vellani. Vellani is this thing, roller, chapati roller, Vellani, and Samadarvi or Randradarvi, depending on what she is holding. Samadarvi means a flat thing. We use it to switch dosas around, and Randradarvi is what we use to switch bondas around. Never you are going to get a puri from this pair. Looking at that. Now that is actually a Penguin book, so I cut the titles. I don't know where it comes from. Okay, it will be an interesting book to read. So Ushtra Laguda Nyaya Shwashrur Nirgachokti Nyaya. Nirgachokti Nyaya. Astu. Sangrahya Vishayaha. Yes.
Sir,
madam.
in the Sandhi, Damudaganam Sandhi,
Numudagama Sandhi.
yeah, we have to take Raswa Swara. So Raswa Swaras will be O, E, U, Ru and Lu, right?
Very good. Very good. Correct. A, I, O, Au do not belong to Hrisva class. Very good. So,
A also, sir.
no, A is Dirgha. Madam, in Kannada, A is there, but in Sanskritam there is only Dirgha A Kara. Okay. Please just go back to your books that teach basic letters. You will see that. Okay. There is no Hrisva Ekara and Okara, Okara also. For example, in Kannada, O is there. There is no such O in Sanskritam. O only is there. A only is there. I, Au, all are Dirgha. Okay. So, Bhagini is very correct. Thanks for bringing that to attention. Hrisva Akara, Hrisva Ikara, Hrisva Ukara, Hrisva Rikara, Hrisva Likara. Okay. A prayer to be L is never used in Loka. So don't get confused with the Lakara. It is a reverse swara of Lakara. Rakar, Laka, Yara, Lava, reverse to I. All those. Anyway, we'll forget going that far now. So let's come to the Sangrahya Vishayaha with this cute boy. A prayer to be recited before eating a meal. Annapurne Sadapurne Shankara Pranavallabhe Jnana Vairagya Siddhyartam Bhiksham Dehi Cha Parvati. So this is Sambodhana. Parvati Hrisva. Dehi. Give. So lot. Annapurne Sadapurne Shankara Pranavallabhe Jnana Vairagya Siddhyartam. That is, there is a bindu there. Siddhyartam Bhiksham Dehi. So Bhiksham Dehi Cha Parvati. He Parvati, He Annapurne, He Sadapurne, He Shankara Pranavallabhe. Mama Jnana Vairagya Siddhyartam. Mama iti atva asmakam iti svikartavyam tatra. Bhiksham Dehi. Grant us the boon. Bhiksha here is of course the boon of this siddhi. What siddhi? Vairagya Jnana. That means detachment from worldly things. Doesn't mean rejecting everything but not getting attached to them. Okay, whatever we need for our life, yeah, but we don't have to have raga for them. So then jnana, of course, fantastic. Jnana vairagya is a pair that goes with it. Without vairagya, there may not be much jnana. Jnana, as I'm saying, as we say now in this world, apabramsha shabda, jnana. Okay. So why she is Annapurne? Because she is the provider of our rice and other food products. Sadapurne, one who is always complete. Okay, and Shankara Prana Vallabhe, who is the life of her Lord Shankara, Maheshwara. Okay, like that. O Parvati, you are always complete, Sadapurne, and the dear consort of Shankara. Okay, give me Vallabha is consort, that sense. Okay, give me Bhiksha for attaining wisdom and detachment to worldly pleasures. Okay, good, fair enough English there. To be recited in the evening after lighting the lamp. Okay. दीपमूले स्थितो ब्रह्मा दीपमध्ये जनार्दनः दीपाग्रे शङ्करः प्रोक्तः सन्ध्याज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते. Beautiful. Okay. दीपमूले स्थितो ब्रह्मा दीपमध्ये जनार्दनः दीपाग्रे शङ्करः प्रोक्तः ज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते. So to the evening light, Sandhya Jyoti, Namo Astute. My salutations may be there for you. Okay? Tavate. Deepa Mule Sthito Brahma. So when we are lighting a deepa, okay? So this can be told. This is a nice mantra to recite. Okay? If you can put it in the right raga, of course, not like me. If you sing like me, the Deepa may get afraid and go off. Deepa Mule Stito Brahma, Stitaha Brahma. So the Brahma, you who are standing in the base of the Deepa or at the base of the Jwala, something like that. Okay. Deepa Madhye Janardanaha. In the middle, as the Poshaka, you Vishnu, Janardana, you are standing. Okay. Stitaha can be taken for Janardana also. Deepagre Shankaraha Proktaha. Okay, so told to be in the tip of the flame, like that, Shankara. Okay, as it terminates, it's the flame terminates its life towards the tip. No, so he is the renewer. No, so he's helping the new flame to come up by terminating the old flame. Wow. Sandhya Jyotir Namostute. So to this evening light, I offer my salutation. Okay. We light the lamp in the evening, so we're calling Sandhya Jyoti. Mahodaya, tell me, sir.
Maybe it is like the Brahma who does the creation of this life force and maintains by Janardana, and then at the termination we see Shankara. So this jobs done by the triad is described in the form of that Deepa.
Correct. In fact, Karagre Vasate Lakshmi, this Agre Madhye Mule, there are many stotras, each of them with such triad significance. Okay. We saw about Lakshmi, Saraswati, Gauri and all that. So like Parvati. So the same, I think Gauri was the word used there. So same way this one now bringing Brahma, Vishnu as Janardana and Shankara, Shiva as Shankara with their Paryaya Padas. Okay.
Sir, Agre means in front, no?
Tip. Agra means tip. Okay. And it is also in context interpreted as in front. Okay.
Okay, because the translation says, and at its end is Maheshwara.
At the tip. They have used end like Mahamadya said, na, Shanti ending.
Okay.
That end.
Right. So
tip of our life
is done by Shiva, right? Yeah.
Tip of our
Samhara.
correct.
And Mula
but
is
I like to look at it as renewal. If there is no termination, there is no renewal.
Yeah, transformation.
We need renewal. So
Sir,
the
Proktaha?
Prakriti Dharma is wonderful. Prakriti Dharma is wonderful. Yeah, please.
Proktaha means?
Proktaha means told, is told. Shankaraha Proktaha is told. It's a way of telling Stitaha, but in the sense of he is told to be in the tip like that. Uktaha, pra-uktaha, proktaha. Uktaha means told. Pra-uktaha, specially told, like that. Okay. Prashastaya uktaha, proktaha, something like that is there for the upasarga expansion. Okay, fine, nice. So, Deepamule Stito Brahma. One second. Sheshagiri Varya, your voice is not clear. You may have to change your microphone or something, Mohodaya, because it is saturating heavily and we are barely just making out that you are speaking. That's all. Something is wrong. Please check with your family to see if they can give a better headset or something so that your speech becomes clear. Right now, with whatever, I think earlier also, I apologize. Earlier also, sometimes you have asked questions and we have never noticed because one, your voice is not voluminous enough. Number two, it is saturating. That means the microphone is like it has gone digital, only on-off types. It is not catching your full modulation. Huh? Sorry. Please have it change the device or have some external mic attached. Something you do, sir. Huh? Thanks. Deepamule sthito Brahma Deepamadhye Janardhanah Deepagre Shankarah Proktah Sandhya Jyotir Namostute. The concept of yugas is exclusive to Indian mythology. A brief description of it is given below. Kali Yuga. There are some different stats with respect to this. Some double this, some don't. So let's okay. We'll. I like the concept of the cyclicity and all that. So we'll not get hung on the numbers. Okay. Kali Yuga 4,32,000 years. Dwapara Yuga double of that. Treta Yuga triple of Kali Yuga, and Krita Yuga is quadruple of Kali Yuga, like that is listed. So Krita, what is first, what is next? It's a cycle. The order is clear. So Krita, Treta, Dwapara, Kali, coming bottom up. Okay, Krita, Treta, Dwapara, Kali, and reverses this way. Is some believe that it reverses slowly like this. Okay, so we go back through Kali, Dwapara, Treta, Krita Yuga. That means we may leave double Kali Yuga, or Kali Yuga itself is short like that, maybe. Okay, and this somebody has pictured it nicely. I don't know how much. Doesn't correlate with this number, so don't look at numbers too much. I don't know how this Rashis fit into this. Somebody threw in the Rashi because it's a nice circular element or some sense to that. I don't know, but they keep throwing that anyway. But this is very clear. Okay. So, Krita is named as Satya here. So it's alternate name. So Satya, Treta, Dwapara, Kali, and double Kali and Dwapara, Treta, Satya, like that we spin. That's what he's showing. Beautiful. This part of the picture I like. Okay. And this what we are is called material ages in English by him. He has named it so. Others are better times. Spiritual age is Satya Yuga. Energy age, age of the mind, spiritual age. Nice. Material, energy, mind, and spirit. Deeper and deeper. And then shallower and shallower back. Beautiful scientific circle.
Namudagama Sandhi.
Yes, sir.
Sir, here Dirgha also is taken in the Namudagama Sandhi, not only Rasva.
Where?
I refer to the book by Mahabaleshwar Bhatt, Sandhi. In that he has mentioned Sugana plus Ishaha. Suganishaha.
Mahodaya, the Dirgatva is not for the Paranimitta. The Hrisvatva was for the Purva Nimitta.
Okay.
You're getting confused.
Yeah,
See,
yeah.
read the English here. When the letters n, n, n are preceded by a Hrisva Swara, so there is a second nimitta beyond the presence of n, n, m at the end. Before that, there is a secondary nimitta of a Hrisva Swara. Okay, followed by any Swara. Here there is no Hrisva Dirga limitation. See the nimitta and limit, how the English word limit comes from nimit. Okay, anyway. So any Swara. So there is no contradiction with Mahabaleshwara Bhatta Mahodaya. His book is also from Sanskrit Bharati. There may be errors here. I am not saying there are no errors here. And of
No,
course,
I could not understand correctly.
Now it's clear. Yeah, very good. Okay.
Thank you.
Welcome. Okay. So one cycle of 4 yugas is called Mahayuga. 74 Mahayugas make Manvantara. So we call it, there are 14 Manus to make a Kalpa. So one Srishti is one Kalpa like that, and supposed to be one Brahma day or something like that. Okay, anyway. When Brahma sleeps, the Srishti is gone like that. Okay, so nice.
So on this, yeah, just one. Can I just make one comment?
Please, Ravi Shankar Varya, please tell me.
So this 100 years of Brahma, this is mentioned in the Bhagavata Purana, Canto 3, and there they have mentioned that 100 years of Brahma is like this, as just as you said, 1 day of Brahma is one kalpa, the night of Brahma is another kalpa, so that makes 2 kalpas in a day, and like that you have 30 days and 12 months. So that makes 1 year of Brahma, and the Brahma lives like that for 100 years.
And then another Brahma comes along, right?
And then another Brahma comes along. So one kalpa consists of 14 manvantaras. And between the manvantaras, so basically between the manvantaras, there is some time for the pralaya to happen and for creation again. So that is roughly about the time that it takes for a Krita Yuga. That's how they have calculated. So one manvantara is about 71 Chatur Yugas.
Interesting.
And that makes it 994 Chatur Yugas in all, in one.
Interesting.
That is the
Thanks, Mahodaya. Thanks.
That's how we are doing this age, the age of the earth. The expected age of the earth, the creation of this earth is roughly about 311 million years. That's how we have to calculate, and out of which 155 million years are actually done. This is what NASA has also done, which means we were more correct and ahead of them. And this is what we also say. We are in the 51st year of Brahma, the first day of the 51st year of Brahma. This is what we do also when we do the Sankalpam.
Okay.
We do geodating, right?
Okay. How does that, do you know how the Sankalpa runs for that 51st year, first day like that?
We say this Pratame Pade Jambudvipe, all that, right? So
correct. That is Desha Sankirtana. Kala?
Yes.
In that, I don't remember 50 and all coming.
Shvetavaraha Kalpe, Vaivashvata Manvantare, Kalige.
Shvetavaraha Kalpe is the Kalpa name.
Yes.
Vaivashvata Manvantare is the current Manu. He is the 7th Manu. Yeah.
Yes. 7th Manvantara, Ashtavimshatitame Kali Yuge. That means we are in the 28th Chatur Yuga, the Kali Yuga of the 28th Chatur Yuga.
Ashtavimshati is what gives that statistic.
Ashtavimshatitame Kali Yuge, Pradame Pate Jambudvipe. That's how we go there.
Jambudvipa being our continent, Indian continent. Okay. Fantastic. Thank you, Arya. I think
this is geodating.
Can I?
Geodating as per Hindu Samskriti. How
yes,
we do
somebody else has an opinion. Somebody else wanted to say something.
Mahodaya, can you post this on the?
Yeah. Ravi Shankar will post something about this. Mahodaya, tell me.
I was just, the Sanskrit Bharati is calling this as a mythology. So they are calling it as a myth. That is very strange.
Sir, let us get caught up with words. Okay, if you want to have them corrected, please send a letter. Please send a letter to them. The world calls the past with the word myth, so they are using the English word as is without the intention of harming our understanding of it. The very reason why they are trying to give us so much statistics so that we become aware of all this. Okay, so there is no intent to hurt anything. So you can request them, please kindly suggest a good word for them and send them a correction note. They will definitely in the next edition do the corresponding change. Okay. What would you suggest is the word? What would you suggest is the word?
Right?
According to the Vedas. According to the Vedas, sir.
No, but see.
Maybe according to the Puranas, not the Vedas.
Exclusive to Indian Puranas. Like that we can say and leave it. We will not try to translate. Okay, fine. Yes. We will suggest that. Okay, no harm. Okay. And then they can put in brackets, the West calls this mythology, and leave it. Okay, all right. You guys need to try. We ran out of time today for this, but very straightforward exercise. Okay, so you need to have this in your memory. Okay, with this as a reference, this becomes a easy game. Okay, so especially Shatranta related examples, you need this. Of course, you need this printout with the Strilinga table also added as we finish this whole series. We need this with Strilinga added also. So you can prepare your own one sheet help for that. Okay. So here, let us just see what type of questions are there. Gachat shabdasya uchita rupaihi riktasthanani purayata. So different vibhaktis we have to identify. So gachantam balakam. What we have to do? Balakam, we have to reverse analyze what is the vibhakti. Go with your vakya spota. Okay. You will never be able to remember balakaha balako, balakaha balakam like that. Balakam dadami, balakam uddishya vadami, something like that, some sentence with balakam you remember. Vakya spota, let it play. So, he is the target of the action, so he is a karma. So, gachantam, we have to pick from patantam, it's a gam dhatu, so gachantam. So, gachantam has to be filled in. Okay, it becomes native after a while. Not necessarily from remembering these forms like that. Okay. All right. So, next first example is Mitraya, Ramaya, Ramaya Dana Karyam Bhavati, Namaskaraha, Ramaya Namaha, something like that. Okay. So, what is Ramaya? Which vibhakti? Mitraya?
Tritiya.
Tritiya is Ramena.
Chaturthi.
Sorry.
Okay. He is the recipient of a donation. Chaturthi vibhakti. Okay. So we have to pick up Chaturthi vibhakti. So patate. So gacchate mitraya. Okay. Chaturthi ekavachana has to be thrown in according to the vachana of the word associated. So Visheshana Visheshya technique. So first exercise for us is not much about what Shatranta form is. What is this Visheshya form? Is it in which vibhakti, which linga? These things we have to, which vachana, we have to unravel that. Then this becomes a game of tapping in and filling in. Okay. So next, Karya Kartaram, very similar to Balakam. So, Gachantam. Okay. Gachantam Balakam, Dvitiya Ekavachana. Just like this, Gachantam Balakam, same way, Gachantam Karyakartaram. Karyakarta, Karyakartarau, Karyakartarah, Karyakartaram. Okay. Karyakartru Shabda. Begini?
Gacchata Ashvena.
Tritiya vibhakti. Ashvena. Gacchata Ashvena. So like this. Okay. So next.
Gacchadbhyah.
Gacchadbhyah karya. See, karma karebhyah. Okay. So it can be Chaturthi, it can be Panchami, but so happens that the Chaturthi or Panchami form of the Visheshana also are similar. So Gachyadbhyah, you can conclude with Chaturthi or Panchami on your own merit. So that's what 4/5.3 you can put it down as Gachyadbhyah Karmakarebhyah. Next one.
Gacchati. Gacchati adhyapake.
Saptami. Gacchati. See, Patati. Gacchati adhyapake. Okay. Not Gacchate. Don't mimic this word. Go to the Vibhakti and Vachana and reverse that to Gachan to Gacchati. Okay. Gacchati. Gacchati adhyapake. That means in the teacher who is going. Okay. So first one, in the friend, for the sake of the friend who is going, to the worker who is going, by the horse which is going, for the sake of workers who are going, or from them, depending on Panchami. Like this, the meaning extracts. Okay, it's a game, but finally the meaning has to be there in your mind. Okay, Gacchati adhyapake saha phala syutam stapitavan. I mean, he put it in his hands or something like that. Okay, not a great sentence, but anyway. So 6 Vyagraihi. Tritiya bahuvachana. Ramaihi. So Vyagraihi. Tritiya bahuvachana. Gacchadbihi. Gacchadbihi Vyagraihi. Well done. Chorebhyah. Gacchadbyah chorebhyah. Okay. Again, option of Panchami and Chaturthi. Krura mrugan.
Gacchattah.
See, this is Dvitiya bahuvachana, right? Raman, Krura mrugan. So, see, Dvitiya bahuvachana patatah, gachatah. So, gachatah, Krura mrugan. So, the cruel animals that were going, Dasharatah maritavan, something like that. Sorry to bring Dasharatha into the equation, but he did go for hunting and everything resulted from that. So, number 9, Chatranam.
Gacchatam.
So Ramasya Ramayoho Ramanam, Chatrasya Chatrayoho Chatranam, Shashti Bahuvachana. So here Shashti Bahuvachana, Patataha Patatoho Patatam, Gacchataha Gacchatoho Gacchatam. So Gacchatam Chatranam, Shashti Bahuvachana. It's a game, mathematical, extremely mathematical, but unraveling is here. Nayakeshu, very easy.
Gachatsu Nayakeshu.
Nayakeshu, Saptami Bahuvachana. Well done. So you guys got the game now. See, with this table is coming secondary. First is reversing this Vibhakti Vachana. And in fact, because so far we have only been taught Pullinga and a little bit of Napumsakalinga, it's not too difficult. Strilinga also comes into equation. This we need to unravel this Linga also. Okay. So this one is similar. Okay. I already done the hard work here by indicating. So Balakaya, Purushasya, Pitamahena, Shishum, Janaihi, Chatraha, Yane, Ba. So Balakaya for the sake of the boy. So Chaturthi Ekavachana, Purushasya, Shashti Ekavachana of the man. Pitamahena by the grandfather. So 3.1. Shishum Karmapada. So to the baby. 2.1. Janaihi by many people, like this. So now we just it is a game now. You know Patan, it is Pratama Vibhakti. What is Pratama? Chatra. Tak. Patan Chatra, like this. But it may be more obvious to pair it by looking like that rather than doing all this mathematical exercise. Over time, you should let the brain in hiding do that job. You don't have to explicitly mouth out, I am looking at Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachana. It will happen naturally in the mouth where language becomes internalized. Patan Chatraha, Rudantam Shishum, see here, tak, like that. Okay. So Dhavate, Aya should come, something like that. Balakaya, tak, like that. Moment you see Dhavate, this Chaturthi springing should happen, like that. Should move forward also after a while. Okay. So that's the game there. Not much. You guys can try it on. This is also interesting. Dhana Vishaye Adhikaha Utsahaha Bhavet. Okay. Here, Shuddham Uta Ashuddham iti Nirdishata. Sukha Kale eva Yaha Griham Agachati Saha Suhrut iti Ashuddham. So that is due to some subhashita usually when they ask like this. It's usually not Vakya Shuddhata, usually some subhashitokshi uktya yad jnatam tasya shuddhata ashuddhata iti सुभाषिते किम् उक्तमस्ति अस्माभिः मस्तिष्के किं ज्ञानमस्ति तस्य इति परीक्षणं कर्तुम् एतत् धनविषये अधिकः उत्साहः भवेत् we know definitely no so it clearly we can say ashuddham without looking at subhashitam but the subhashitam comes up here प्रदानं प्रच्छन्नं गृहमुपगते सम्भ्रमविधिः प्रियं कृत्वा मौनं सदसि कथनं चापुकृतेः अनुत्सेको लक्ष्म्यां that is the answer अनुत्सेको लक्ष्यां I may have pronounced it as Anutsako or something like that when I was teaching earlier. Anutsekaha, Anutseko Lakshmyam. That is the so Anutsaha syat iti. So Dhanavishye Ashuddham like this. Priyam Krutva Kritasya Pracharah Karaniyah Naiva Naiva Naiva. Gudha Priyam Karaniyam iti kila. So tad Ashuddham tadapi. Okay, Maunam Priyam Krutva Maunam iti atra. एवं अन्येन कृतं सहायं सदसि वक्तव्यम् आम किल वक्तव्यं शुद्धं वक्तव्यम् अत्र सदसि कथनं चाप्युपकृतेः यः सुचरितैः पितरं तोषयति सः पुत्रः सम्यक् सम्यक् शुद्धं पितरं यः तोषयति सुचरितैः with good intention also शुद्धं. So next last one is from this one. Yah prinayet sucharitaihi pitaram saputro. That is that. Okay. Yad bhartureva hitamichati tat kalatram ya patyuhu. Ya is strilinga for yah. So ya patyuhu hitam eva ichati sa nindya ashuddham. Nindya.
Ashuddham.
Na. Kim uktam asti? Sa kalat sa vandya. The opposite of Nindya is Vandya. She should be actually, puja should be done to her. Very good. Okay. Ashuddham Kalatram. Actually, Kalatram I have, Sa Kalatram is the replacement from Subhashita, but Sa Vandya is the better replacement in our correction. Okay. Yeah. Sa Kalatram Vandya. Astu. So I have really stretched you guys to 15 more minutes than the allotted time. So let's gather back at 3 and start with the 6th lesson. Okay. So we have called a closure to 4th lesson. Thank you. Let us meet in the afternoon.